Ayun po, Honorable Zeng Yomol for the trophies. Dakal pong salamat kaya Kuya Jeng, our councilor soon to be. No other than on stage, please join us. No other than you give justice for tonight, the final justice. Kaya kita po kayo dito.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay, congratulations. Final justice. Bago po kayo umalis, yung mga winners, please take your money at cash prize to avoid some problems about the money. Dahil po sa isang lugar, ako, bibigay ko na po in the part of Magalang. Alam po ng winner, nakuha nila is 5,000. Pag-uwi po nila ng bahay, bukas po ng envelope is 1,000 lang. Tapos po yung second prize, alam po ng second prize is 3,000. Pag-uwi nila, 1,000 pa rin. So dito po sa Mabalacat, ayaw po namin po ng ganyan. Okay, our first runner-up. A close fight decision between the champion and first runner-up. Only 0.3% difference. 92.3 and 92 flat. Please, on stage, United Boys from Balibago, Angeles City.
Mr. DJ.
Sexy and I know it.
1%. And the champion, may I call Kuya Ermi, Kuya Joven, Kuya Robert, Georgette, at the backstage, Georgette. All-star po na player ng All-Star, congratulations. Yun po ang paborito kong team sa basketball. So third place lang sila. Okay. And the grand champion, no other than, sabi nga, next time, change for a new outfit. Once again, the M3000 dancers. Thank you, Mamon. Yeah. Again, ito umpisa magkabe Miske, Pabarangay Santa Maria, magkabe kay Priya.
Mr.
Ako pong organizer.
Sexy and I know it.
M3000, please, on stage. Punta na po kayo dito. 5, 4, dito uso ang counting. 3, 2, yeah. Akyat lahat ng M3000. Kung gano'n kayo kapangit kanina, dyan namin makikita kung kayo talaga ay pangit o maganda sa pagkabihis. Ayan. Nasaan yung ng bulaklak kay Georgie?
Mr. DJ.
Sinong nagbigay ng bulaklak? Ayun. Ayun. Okay, tira sa stage. O yun. Okay, pa-picture tayo, picture. Ayan.
Shoot! Shoot!
Mr. DJ.
Sexy and I know it.
Thank you very much, Mamon. Barangay Pundago, dakal pong salamat once again. This is June De Leon as your MC for tonight, saying good day, good night, God bless, and see you on next year.